Semiconductor device should not be left at high temperatures for long periods of time. And when soldering, either with a soldering iron or by the refuller method or other methods, it is necessary to process them at the lowest temperature and shortest time as possible. The specifications for the soldering heat resistance test for semiconductor device are 260 C for 10 seconds or 350 C for 3 seconds at 1 to 1.5 mm from the body. Be careful not to exceed these conditions when performing soldering operations. An example of temperature rise during soldering is shown in Fig 5, which shows an example of a junction temperature rise during soldering of a low power method power transistor. This is an example of measuring the junction temperature after heating for a specified period of time in a 260 C solder bath or 350 C solder bath. If the soldering temperature is high and prolonged, the temperature of the device will rise, which may cause injury or damage. If strongly acidic or alkaline fluxes are used for soldering, they may corrode the leads or have adverse effects on the characteristics. So, it is recommended to use fluxes of rosin series. For soldering irons, use a grounded soldering iron or use a transformer to reduce the voltage. Preferably grounding the tip of the iron so that there is no leak current. In addition, soldering should be done as far away from the body of the device as possible.